Hi, welcome to Hardware Info. In front of me Epson XP6100, and now I'm gonna show you how to print on this printer using your iPhone. So this instruction is not for only iPhone users but any mobile phone users. So firstly it's very important. So you have printer in this position, right? But firstly, of course, you need to insert the paper inside. So here we have the paper tray for A4 paper. Here we have the paper tray for CD, DVD discs, or for smaller paper. So insert the paper size you want to print. For example, I will print on using the A4 paper. Then click home button. Afterwards, open the screen part and remove the paper outer from the printer. And cool. So right now we are ready to print. Then of course you need to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi. If you don't know how to do that, watch our video about it in Epson XP6100 playlist on our YouTube channel. Then you need to connect your iPhone to the same Wi-Fi network your printer connected. Afterwards, open any document you want to print, then click share button, scroll down, find your print button, and after that just choose printer and select here your Epson XP6100 series printer and click. So here choose print in color or black and white, double-sided or no, and just click print. Wait a while. Cool, that's it. And the same situation with Android and macOS Windows devices. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!